Mr. Scott, what are some good defenses to consider when fighting a traffic ticket?
The first thing that an attorney is going to do when receiving a traffic ticket for defense is to really carefully look at the ticket and make sure that the police officer did his job in filling it out correctly and accurately. The most common mistake that police officers make is that they fail to properly identify the state statute in which they are charging the driver. And that particular statute must line up correctly with the information that the police officer is including on the ticket. If the police officer failed to identify the proper state statute or even the proper subsection of that statute, the ticket could get dismissed. Another factor to consider is jurisdiction. What this means is that a police officer, when he pulls you over for the citation, he has to identify which county you were pulled over at. And oftentimes, if you're driving near the county line, the police officer might improperly identify which county you were pulled over. If this is the case, you might be able to get this ticket dismissed. Another factor to consider is the speedy trial rule. Every state's different, but basically what this means is that from the date you get your traffic citation to the date that you ultimately have a trial in the case, there's a certain period of time in which the state must bring you to court. If the state fails to get that case set for trial within that time period, then you'll be able to move for a dismissal.